sticky, icky, air fried honey garlic baby back ribs. This right here is special. I'm about to show you how it's done. So I'm gonna begin by turning over my baby back ribs and getting rid of that membrane. I'm just gonna use a knife to just pry it up just like so, and then a napkin to get a nice grip and get rid of that membrane. You can use spare ribs if you want, it's totally up to you, but I just prefer me some baby back ribs. All right, so once you have that removed, you are then gonna slice your ribs by the bone just like so. And once you have them all sliced up, you are then gonna transfer them into a bowl so we could get them seasoned up proper. So we are gonna then drizzle a little bit of oil on our ribs and get our hands in there. Give it a nice luxurious massage as we always do. You know we gotta season it up proper. We're keeping it nice and simple. Salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. If you want a little bit of heat, you could drop in some red pepper flakes if you like. But go ahead and make sure your ribs are well seasoned up. Once they are, we're gonna load them into our air fryer tray. And we're gonna air fry these at a lower temperature than usual. We're gonna let it go at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. It's a long time, but we really want those ribs to be tender. You try to rush this, you're gonna have some hard some hard behind ribs where you're fighting to get that meat off the bone. We do not want to do that. So let it go for about 40 minutes, and this is how you should be looking when it's done. I did crank it up after that 40 minutes for about an additional 5 minutes at 400 just to get that additional crisp. Then you're gonna transfer them into a mixing bowl so we could get them sauced up. But before that, of course, we got to get that sauce together. In a pan, I'm tossing in about 3 tablespoons of some unsalted butter, and we got a bunch of ingredients. Everything is listed on the screen, and it will be listed in the description box below. Go ahead and get everything in your pan. I got it to about a medium heat, by the way. You want to just get everything together, let it come to a simmer, and once it does, you are ready to sauce up those beautiful baby back ribs. So our sauce is ready to go. Go ahead and just drizzle it over the top just like so, and just give it a toss. My goodness, this right here looks so good, and it tastes even better. Trust and believe me. Go ahead and toss it up, and once that's done, you can plate it up, garnish with a little bit more green onion, and you are ready to bust down. These were so tender. Like so tender, literally falling off the bone. I'm letting you know right now, so delicious, so flavorful. You definitely got to give it a try. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.